Hi, now I'm going to talk about my eighth experiment, which is about the producer-consumer problem using the threading and the synchronization. So now there is a class called producer-consumer queue, and here we include a concept called even weight handler. Since even weight handler is being used, we can explain what is about it. Even weight handler means it initializes a new instance of the even weight handler class, specifying whether the weight handle is initially signaled and whether it resets automatically or manually. Since even weight handler is being used here, we include a concept called auto reset even, and this boolean type is false. Here, since because I have given it as false, and there is a thread called worker, and here read only object, so their concept called locker is being used, and this particular thing is used for the creating a queue with data type string. And when we come to the producer consumer queue, first we will invoke the constructor and we are starting the method. And when we talk about the enqueue task, here it refers only one thread into a set of code, and this refers to the waking up the thread. And public void dispose, inside the public void dispose, we signal the consumer to exit, and worker.join, it is used for wait for the consumer's thread to finish, and finally we are closing it. And in void work, there is a condition, that is while is true means here we declare it as string task is equal to null, and this particular thing, it refers to the counting. If the counting is greater than 0, then we go inside, that is task is equal, we are dequeuing, and if task is equal to null, we are returning, it will return back. If task is not equal to null, then here we are performing the task, and this thread dot sleep is being used for simulating the work, or else part will be executed. Else part is used where no more task wait for the signal. And finally, when we come to the main program, there is a class called program, and inside that we enqueue task by first writing it as hello, and this refers to the for loop where the number of times the loop has been executed. So first we are initializing it to 0, and if the I is less than 10 means 9 times it will be executed, and each time we are incrementing it, and it will start by saying enqueue task as say, and finally it will end by saying goodbye. Now to execute the output, this is the output. So we are performing the task called hello, and this represents the number of loops given there, and finally it will close by saying goodbye. And this is my end of the program.